Good morning, Monday, May the 16th, 6 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at GBP US $, 3-minute chart, which is hardly ticking at the moment. Looks like it's hardly ticked all night through the Asian session. 6175.74. So we'll take a look back at what happened yesterday to get an idea of what we're going to be doing for this morning's session. Okay, so yesterday we was in our, we obviously finished a trend yesterday, which put us in our sell territory up the top here, for which we would have expected it to come down to, well, predominantly this level, but this would have been the very oversold level, which I think it did come down to yesterday. So it was downtrend all the way through yesterday, come down to the oversold level. And yesterday we started to put in a new swing to the upside, which is probably where we're still at actually. Scrolling across, this is where we just went flat at just after lunch in the US session. So this morning's trade, if we're still there, will look to be a long, because we expect our trend for the morning session or for today, depending on how quick the market moves, to head some way up to this 6320 level or thereabouts. Obviously it could push into this very overbought territory before we get a reverse, but we would expect it to reverse in this level somewhere before we look for another trade to the downside. Okay, so 6174. We have our red indicator down here, which we would have to turn to green before we entered the trade, so we're just waiting for that. So hopefully within the next hour or so, as the European session wakes up, we will get our entry to the upside. We wouldn't be entering short today, or at least at this session, until anything else became clearer, but I'd expect an upside movement for this to go green and stops under 6.1, about 6.140, 6.135, and we'll recap that later. Have a good day.